Hi friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm feeling cold today, so today I'm going to share to you my DIY cough medicine. So it's a homemade, and I learned this one from one of my coworker, which is from India, and she said this is good for home remedy. So if you just have a simple cough and colds, you can use this one. So all you need to have is honey, ginger, and pepper. Only three ingredients, and then you can save this one in the refrigerator. I also use this one to Glexi. If you have a toddler, this is very useful. This is what I'm giving it to Glexi, my 2-year-old, because I don't want to give her medicine with just a simple cough and cold. You're going to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like, and also please ring the bell, like my bell. Right, so let's start. So this is the home remedy for cough, colds, and sore throat. This is not only for us grown-ups or adults, it can be also for our toddlers. And this is what I use, especially if my toddler will just have a simple cough and cold, so I don't give medicine right away. I will try, as long as she doesn't have fever, I will try this remedy. So what I usually do to let her drink this is I will put it here in the syringe. And also sometimes I'll put here in a medicine cup. I usually give two cups and 2 of this syringe, but if I will be the one to drink, I will drink like 2 to 3 of this cup. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you, especially if you have a toddler. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and and ring the bell button. Sorry. Nahihirapan ako sa kaka-English because some of my friends can't understand Bisaya or Tagalog, and I will be having also trouble talaga. Nahihirapan din ako mag-Tagalog because I'm from Bisaya country. Char. I'm from Visayas. So nakakadugo din mag-Tagalog. Alright, so bye-bye. Thank you.